Have you ever go to Japan?
Yes.
Really?
My dreams.
A dream!
Because I think our weather here is really different from Japan. So how do you find the weather? Like
I almost die. Something like that.
Oh, Iroha, you're a Filipino.
Hello everyone, I'm Iroha. こんにちは、Iroha です。イェイ。はい、ということで今回はオンライン英会話のネイティブキャンプを利用して人気講師を3人受けてみました。イエーイ。ではどんな感じか見ていきましょう。まず1人目の人気講師はタラン、アンソニー先生です。年は26歳でフィリピン人でございます。そして先生になってから3年6ヶ月経っています。それではやっていこう。
My name is Anthony. What's your name?
I'm Iroha.
Iroha. That's very nice name. Nice to meet you, Iroha-chan.
Nice to meet you.
How are you today?
I'm good.
That's very good. Did you go to school today?
No.
Oh, no. It was a summer holiday today, right?
Yeah. I like soccer.
Wow. You're so sporty, kid.
Yes, I like soccer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so interesting.
Yeah.
Do you have any favorite player?
I like Kobe Bryant.
Kobe Bryant.
Yeah.
Oh, I felt so bad. Like,
Yeah.
Kobe Bryant passed. How do you feel that? How did you feel when you know that Kobe Bryant passed?
It was a little bit like sad, but yeah, because also the daughter is also, so it's so sad.
Yeah, of course. It's really sad.
All of country is sad.
Yes.
Yeah.
All over the world, I think so.
All over the world.
Do you play with some foreign kids or do you just play with Japanese kids?
I play Japanese.
Japanese kids, because I think your English was really nice, so I bet like you're actually be practicing every day.
Yeah, because before I used to live in Cebu City. Yeah, and when I was first grade, I am fourth grade right now. I went to Philippines, Cebu City. Now it's not allowed to go Cebu right now, right? Just only I think Manila.
Yes.
Yes,
so it's not allowed. I think so. It's really bad. But I'm so happy that you've been here in the Philippines, though.
Yeah.
So how was your stay here?
It was so fun. At first, I am nervous and I couldn't speak English, so it was a little bit afraid to speak English. But now, I can speak, so it's so fun.
That's really good because I think our weather here is really different from Japan. So how do you find the weather? Like, was it so hot?
Yeah, it was so hot. Like I almost died. Something like that.
Yeah. You almost died.
Yeah.
Iroha-chan, we don't have enough time.
Yes.
But thank you so much
Thank
for your
you so
time, Iroha-chan.
much. See you next time. Have a good day. はい、ということでまず1人目、アンソニー先生、終わりました。すごくね、私の話聞いてくれて話しやすかったし、すっごく優しかったわ。優しかったです。2人目の人気講師はタラン、エド先生です。年は32歳で同じフィリピン人。先生になってからは10年1ヶ月も経っています。なんて人気。ではやっていこう。Hi.
My name is the Raymond.
Raymond.
Iroha.
Hi, Iroha.
Can you hear me and can you see me well?
Yes, I can see you clearly.
Yes, welcome to my class. Welcome to Native Camp again. So how are you today? Why are you outside? Where are you going?
I'm just taking a walk right now. Yes.
So you're outside.
I'm outside.
Where's that? Like it's a gasoline station over there?
Yeah, this is car store. But it's
All right.
here, it's near my house. I just wanna take a walking. So I'm walking right now. Rock, paper, scissors. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Alright.
Okay.
One,
1, 2, 3. Wow. Okay. I'm so happy I win, but I don't know what should I ask. Okay.
Yeah, anything.
Have you ever go to Japan?
Ah, yes.
Really?
My dreams.
A dream? I'm confused.
You're confused. Yeah, when I was a kid, I normally used to watch a lot of anime. You know Dragon Ball Z.
I know Dragon Ball.
Man.
Do you know Demon Slayer?
Yes. Kimetsu no Yaiba.
Yeah, I like that.
How do you say?
Tanjiro. I like Tanjiro mostly.
Why you like Tanjiro?
I like the Tanjiro song. And also, I like his like shirt. Yeah, right. You know.
Yes,
I
exactly.
like. Okay.
Rock,
Paper, scissors. 1, 2,
3.
3.
Oh,
Oh
now your turn.
yes. Wow.
Where, yeah.
Okay. Wait.
Think.
What is your favorite cartoon? Oh, Pikachu!
Yes. So my favorite cartoon, of course, when I was still young, I really loved Son Goku, Dragon Ball.
Dragon
Yes,
Ball.
I love, yes. Like one of my hobbies before was, like drawing.
Drawing.
Yeah, drawing. And I was even scolded by my mom before because I was drawing on the wall.
Whoa!
Yes, I was drawing on the wall. So that was a really kind of so crazy time. When you return Cebu, what do you want to do first?
At first, I want to buy something. I want to buy the snacks, like souvenir.
Do you know the name of those snacks from Cebu?
Piro.
Pillows. The chocolate?
The chocolate one. And also it has ube, right?
Yeah. Ube. Oh, you like that? You can buy that one in 7-Eleven.
It's not souvenir.
Yes.
What else? Okay, I will think about it.
Do you want to buy lechon and bring it to Japan?
Okay, I want to do that, but do you know it's so big? How should I bring airplane? I can't because it's so heavy also. And also another people have to put the backpack. But where should I put my lechon? Oh wait,
What about lechon?
it's time.
Wait. Oh,
Wow,
oh no.
I didn't time flies so fast.
I didn't notice.
Yeah, have a good day. See you next time.
See you next
Bye.
time.
はい、ってことで2人目の人気講師エド先生が終わりました。すごく元気で明るい先生、そしてやっぱり優しい先生でした。日本のこともめっちゃ知ってたのですごい楽しく会話できました。で、ラスト3人目の人気講師はタラン、プレシャス先生です。23歳、そして同じくフィリピン人です。先生になってから1年8ヶ月経っています。ではやっていこう。
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I think it's our first time meeting each other, right?
Yes.
You look so cute.
Thank you.
Kawaii. Okay, well, by the way, my name is Precious. How about you? What's your name?
I'm Iroha.
Iroha.
Yes.
Iroha. Oh, that's a cool name.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you, Iroha.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay.
Yeah. I used to live in Cebu.
You lived here before?
Yeah, Cebu City.
Oh, for how many years?
Just 9 months.
9 months. Wow. Do you also have a lot of talent? Do you know how to sing and dance?
Tala.
Oh, Tala. You know Tala?
I can dance.
Oh, really? Can you show teacher your dance?
Okay.
Just Oh wow. Roha, you're a Filipino.
Yeah,
Are you Filipino or Japanese?
Japanese.
Japanese, yeah, but you know a lot about the Philippines. Oh, yeah. Do you know the singer of that song?
I don't know.
No, yeah, her name is Sarah.
Sarah.
Sarah Geronimo, yeah.
Sarah
I'm gonna type it.
Geronimo.
Sarah Geronimo. And she just got married recently. Yeah. Are you searching her?
Okay, I will try to search her also. Sarah. Okay, she got married.
Yeah, she just got married.
She's also beautiful.
Yeah, she's also beautiful. When you grow up, Iroha, do you want to be a singer, dancer? What do you want to be?
I wanna be skateboarder, basketball player, dancer. I like to dance also. And also the clothes store stuff.
Very many.
I have 4.
Oh yeah, 4. Well, there's very many. Can you do all of that?
Yeah, wait.
Oh, sure.
Upat.
Oh, fun! Wow! Very good. Oh, you're so fun.
Ako ay si Iroha.
Ako si Iroha.
Ako
Yeah.
si Iroha. Yeah.
Anyways, I thank you so much for joining
Time
my class
flies so
today.
fast. Yeah, have a good day.
Have a good day. Enjoy your
Yes,
summer
thank you.
vacation.
See you next time. Bye. ということで3人目の人気講師プレシャス先生が終わりました。プレシャス先生はすごく可愛くて話しやすかったし、めっちゃ優しかったです。私がフィリピンの歌してる時ダンスしてとかすごいね明るいこと言ってくれたりしたのですごく楽しかったです。はい、ということで終わりました。もう3人もやるとすごいね楽しかった。みんな優しいし話しやすいのがね人気講師の特徴だと思います。私やっぱり人気講師はいいなって思いました。 So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and sign up. Hit the like button and see